Hey guys, how's it going? David Miller here. Today we're gonna make a morning protein shake. So a lot of times people, they wanna rush out the door. A lot of times they'll even skip breakfast, which is, depending on your goals, not what you want, especially if it leads you to eat more or overeat later on in the day. So this is a great way to get in your protein, a little bit of healthy fats, a little bit of fluid intake, and then your caffeine. Everyone wants that caffeine, that morning cup of coffee. Here's how to do it in less than 5 minutes. So grab your blender, right? We're gonna start off with some almond milk, unsweetened. I went with the vanilla flavor, right? So pour that in, that's about a half cup. We're gonna grab our protein powder. It's a whey concentrate. It's about 30 grams of protein, fast acting, again, vanilla flavor. So pour that in. You wanna do the liquid first and then the powder, that way it doesn't stick to the bottom. It's one that I found out early on the hard way. Next we have just a little bit of natural sweetener. It's called Truvia, highly recommended. So it's about a half teaspoon, right? Throw that guy in there. Have your instant coffee grounds, going fast here. Everyone's running around first thing in the morning. Throw that guy in there, about a half tablespoon. And so this is pretty much our base ingredient. Have some filtered water. Throw that in there up until probably about half an inch before the top, right? And you're pretty much done at that point. You can throw that back, blend it up and go. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna add an alternative. So this is your base. We're gonna have a couple alternatives today. So the other base that we're gonna do right now is adding in some PB2. PB2 is essentially a defatted peanut butter. So it's about 45 calories, double check here, 50 calories. 50 calories per 2 tablespoons. So there's one. I like my peanut butter flavor, so I'm gonna add in 2, right? Kind of up against the edge there. Boom, good to go. If you're wanting to add size, if you're wanting to get more calories, opt out the vanilla, the unsweetened almond milk with whole milk, and then for the peanut butter, go with a Skippy or a Jif Natural. You want to go for the brown cap. The red one has partially or fully hydrogenated vegetable oil in it, and that is something that's really going to be hard on the heart. It's essentially that trans fat that everyone talks about, but it's been named differently so that you don't catch it. So there we go. Move the ingredients out of the way, screw on that cap, make sure it's on there good. I've had a couple times where it flies off, you gotta go all over again, and just go to quick blend. And you're good to go for the day. Cheers.